What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to break down my short on NLSP and give you guys some tips to shorting these parabolic shorts in the current market conditions because, quite frankly, they've been very tricky. I've been avoiding them for the most part, been focusing on resistance shorts. However, I did short ENTX yesterday, which had similar actions. I took a loss on this one. So if you look at what they did yesterday with ENTX, they pushed it to the pre-market high. They trapped longs, they dumped it, and I jumped in short here. This is a pattern that I've used quite a lot, and it's pretty consistent. But these shorts, these market makers are pretty smart. They know how to trap shorts, and they got me on this one. This thing reversed and squeezed, and that's kind of what I was looking at for NLSP. That potential action. Now, that being said, I have a lot of data on this setup, so I had some conviction when it dumped over under this pre-market high here, trapped a lot of longs. I did take a starter here. They ripped it right back up. I sized down. I didn't take all of it off because I kind of had a feeling as to what they were doing. I added again on this bounce here, thinking that the stock was dead. Average is around 6.7. I was risking the top. And, you kind of have to understand what they're trying to do here. Basically, what they're trying to do is create buying pressure so they can dump their shares. So first they need to trap the shorts. So they trap the shorts, then they have these kind of algo squeeze candles that are completely unnatural. I mean, this is pure market manipulation in order to, one, squeeze out the shorts. So what do the shorts do? They start covering, causing buying volume. The longs start chasing, thinking it's going to be a high of daybreak. And then the market makers, what they do is they dump all their shares from their long, and then they put on a short. So it causes all this selling pressure, which causes this huge, huge red candle here. So, that's kind of just some insight into what, they're really doing between this price action. When I first started trading, I didn't understand. I thought, this was all retail, but this type of action is completely manipulated. So you have to kind of think ahead and understand what they're doing. So anyhow, my average is around 6.7 right now. This thing should fade to the low fours, so I'm still holding full size. Unlikely to reverse, but with the shenanigans that have been happening this week, it's possible. So keeping a close eye on this. I will post the profits in the title when I cover and in the chat for verification. My advice is that if you're new to short selling, just stick to the resistance shorts. So I've been sticking to those mainly. Those have been very, very smooth and easy. And just wait. When the market calms down, there's going to be all this resistance over here, 200, 300 million, 400 million resistance. These things will never come back once the pandemic ends. The buying volume comes down. It's just going to be free money shorting into this type of resistance in the future. So anyhow, hope you guys learned something from my analysis here. If you guys liked the video, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.